will put down. Tatlo. Ang lalaki na. Ilagay natin sa baba.
My chickens.
So we will put down. Give me the Kleenex mama and wipe this one. Nibo, oh, you have friend now. Kian, what we will call them? Oh, kuku. Ano? My plants, no, no. Good morning. Breakfast again.
Mommy, don't let them see.
Look at the dogs.
Don't
Look
let
at the chicks. Yung mga manok, ilagay natin mamaya doon.
Don't let them see the chickens.
Masaya ako kasi kain po tayo. Thank
Don't
God.
let the chickens see the chickens.
Gwen had a face down.
Where's Kilata?
What
Kain po
did
tayo,
you
guys.
name? What did you name them?
Migo, ay Mima, Mimi, and what else yan?
Mima.
How you
Mima.
know which one is which?
Wait,
We know already.
Miba, Mima, and Mimi, and Mibo. That almost died.
Love him and he couldn't find another name.
They're all with me. The M. It's the M family.
Oh wow.
The M family. M family.
Look, Gwen. Look, Gwen. Mommy.
Why she's crying?
Oh, ding ding ding.
Sky.
Ding.
Sure.
I'll say.
Yan, you disgusting mommy.
Ah, yeah?
Okay, on my food is doing.
Sure, I'm just doing.
Oh, I thought me disgusting.
Amile.
I said Kian.
I
Amile.
heard that.
I said Kian.
Why aren't you on a... How does protein help with diet?
No, to make the
I don't take the rice.
Yeah, all of this should.
So I take my mouth dry.
I will give you. Yeah, you will see. They will take your vitamins. Yeah.
I did not want egg.
I did not eat afternoon. This is my breakfast and afternoon.
It's 10:03.
Hmm?
Too early.
This is my breakfast and lunch because I will be full.
Brunch.
And brunch.
Yesterday I did not eat dinner. I lunch and dinner.
And I say, mommy, don't eat.
And I will eat big meal.
And the heck, what happened to all the diet? Mommy, where are they? Where are they?
Meron na kaming tatlong manok ulit. Sila ay Mimi, Miba, and what the name? The other one?
Mimi, Mima, and Miba.
You close the door.
I read the...
Okay. Ayan, dito sila para masanay sila. Kaya lang, hindi katulad kagaya ni Miba na ano, gently siya. Sila ayaw nilang lumapit ba? Pero sanayin ko sila.
They need more broccoli.
Ito siguro yung mga ano na, yung mga babae ba? Kasi wala silang ano sa ulo. Kasi si Mibo nung maliit siya, dati nang may ano sa ulo. Ngayon, wala silang ano sa ulo, kaya I'm sure sila ay tatlong female.
Look here.
It's okay.
You see?
Yung maliit siya si Mimi. Tapos yung malaki Miba. Hindi sila pantay-pantay yung size. Tapos yung isa is Mima. Or Mima?
The one is small. The one that the small one is Mimi.
Eh.
The one bigger than it is Mima,
That
and
is
the
good.
one that's the biggest is Miba.
Yes, next to Mibo. Magiging asawa ito ni Mibo.
They're sisters,
Yeah, they are sisters.
and soon they'll be brothers to Mibo. But Mibo's a boy.
Kaya gusto nila nung yung dahon. Yeah, let's keep it high dahon.
Leave them?
Eh.
Sure, leave them, mommy.
Yeah.
What's wrong with you leaving?
Leave them here, badan na. Hold this one, we will put them water. Open this. Bigyan natin ng tubig.
I wanna drink one.
Alagaan ni Mr. pag alis kami. Malaki na sila, oh. After 1 month, makikita mo na sila na malaki na. Ipakita ko sa inyo kung ano yung pangalan nila, guys. Pinangalanan din namin. Yan si Mimi, yung maliit, yung dark. Tapos yung malaki si Miba. Tapos yung is Mima. Kilo M. Ayan. Hi, Mimi! Hello, Miba! Oh, parang nakikinig sila, Hello, Mima! Mima yung katabi ni Mimi. Yan, si Mima. Oh, that's nice. Yan si Mibo, ay Miba. Yun, si Miba yung malaki. Si Mimi ang liit, kaya Mimi kasi Bibi. Yan, mayroon na tayong manok, partner ni Miba. Si Miba nandun sa baba, dun sa may Okay, gagawa si Mr. ng bahay nila para hindi sila Hi guys, nagluluto po ako ng pang lunch namin. Ayan, yung malfoof, yung cabbage. Sobrang init dito sa Lebanon. Ma-feel mo na yung summer vibes. Pero pag malamig pa rin. Sa gabi nagkukumot pa rin kami. Sa araw mainit siya.
Okay.
Ayan, ito na po yung malfoof, cabbage. Okay, so i-serve na natin. Egg ay na bread. Huh? Hi there. Happy? It's apple. Okay. Ayan na yung bay leaf, guys. Ayan na siya. Lagay natin dito. Yan ang yan lang. So, ano natin itong bread? That's it na po. Kain na kain. Malfoof. Wait, I will put mama so you don't damage.
Okay, give me that one.
This one?
This one, open. That one open.
Na-open siya. Yala, tina yung plate kaya, Oh, mainit.
What is enough?
La, you need to eat, mama. Yan. Where is the cover? Cover it lang, It's, I will come. Kunin ko yung sa akin. Dito. Kain na po tayo, guys. Let's eat po. Ito yung sa akin. Walang rice yan. Yung cabbage lang din siya. Yan lang yung kakainin ko. Kain na po tayo guys, ha? Yan. I think they will begin now, Han.
هلا
Then I saw big car.
هلا
They come. Let's eat po.
Basket?
May masarap. Yummy. Yan, masarap. Put Laban if you want. Put Shuai. Or put him Hamud, Han. You want him Hamud?
انت استعمل
Hello! Katatapos lang namin kumain and kumakain kami ng popcorn.
كيان
Watching basketball. Dito sa malapit sa amin, Etihad. Ay, Nofad Nohal. Popcorn guys. I will take popcorn in Philippines. I don't know.
Must be popcorn in the Philippines.
I will take one bag.
What else you will take with you?
Wala pi mama, but in the market.
Ay!
Sarap.
You don't have any.
Mommy, I want a few.
You don't have any. You don't have any.
Pinatay namin yung ilaw. Parang nasa cinema ba? Feeling.
I want to throw this and catch it.
No, don't do that.
May basketball.
Okay, let me throw you and catch you.
Oh, I got it time.
Hey, the Susmo, the tall one, Han. What's the name? Ismael. What's his name? Riyadeh? By country. Meron kayang Pilipino. Ay, Pilipino? Philippines? Right?
Bring down my bed. Put it here.
Don't tell me.
بيروت شو
Movie.
2018
You did not watch yet, Haida?
It's not Lebanese movie.
No, but they shoot here in Beirut. English movie.
Angle movie. Hey, the coach is Riyadh. How fat he is.
Masarap ng popcorn.
I don't have the light.
Dami yan.
Don't.
It's not the
Don't put me on.
Lobat na. Anyway.
Alamin it.